Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate predictive modeling with Salesforce. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To automate predictive modeling with Salesforce, begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Einstein Analytics dashboard. Select the Data Manager option from the main menu. Import your dataset by clicking on the Add Dataset button. Choose the file you want to upload and follow the import prompts. Once your dataset is uploaded, go to the Lens drop-down menu. Create a new lens by selecting the Create Lens option. Choose the dataset you just uploaded to work with. Define the fields you want to include in your predictive model. Click on the Predict button to access the prediction settings. Select the target field that you want to predict. Configure the relevant features and parameters for your model. Review the model settings and ensure all options are set correctly. Click the Build Model button to start the predictive modeling process. Wait for the system to analyze your data and generate predictions. Once the model is built, review the results to assess accuracy. Utilize the insights gained from the predictions to inform your strategies. Save your predictive model for future use within Salesforce. Optionally, schedule regular updates to your predictive model with new data. Explore other features and tools in Einstein Analytics to further enhance your predictive capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.